We are going to be performing a printhead cleaning on the SureColor S7170. Before we do this, we should always print a nozzle check pattern, as this will show us which nozzles may be clogged. Please refer to the printhead nozzle check video for directions. Once the pattern has been printed, look it over. If there are broken or missing lines, click the X button. Now, select the level of cleaning. Auto cleaning is a suggested starting point. Now click Start. Once auto cleaning is begun, the printhead will be automatically checked for clogs and then cleaned. If clogs remain, you can escalate from light to heavy cleaning until cleared. It is suggested that at the end of the cleaning, you do another nozzle check pattern to make sure that there are no broken lines or missing nozzles. Once cleaning is complete and all nozzles have been cleared, click OK.